Good morning everyone. Ishwar, every teacher day. Guru Shishyalu Buddhikaru, Achitakaina, Bali Abakaina, Taraputulaku Betanadelu, Ishwarani Ramavi, Rama, thank you. Good morning everyone. First of all, happy Teachers Day. My name is Geetika. I am studying in 2nd standard. Teacher meaning T means talented, E means educated, A means adorable, C means charming, H means helpful, E means encouraging, R means responsible. Thank you for all.
Good morning to one and all. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, Teachers Day. This is a day when we thank our teachers for all they do for us. Happy Teachers Day. This day is special because it gives us an opportunity to express gratitude and respect for the teachers who guide us every day. This day to be celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, an esteemed educator and former President of India. It's a day to express appreciation and gratitude for teachers' dedication and hard work. Dr. Radhakrishnan was an Indian politician, philosopher and statesman who served as second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He was the second ambassador of India to the Soviet Union from 1949 to 1952. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tirupati. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy, an subordinate revenue official in the service of the local zamindar, and his mother's name was Sita. Thank you.
శుభోదయమందరికీ నా పేరు రేవంత్. ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. అక్షరాలు దిద్దిస్తున్నప్పుడు తెలియలేదు, నా జీవితాన్ని మలుపు తిప్పుతున్నారని కోపగించినప్పుడు తెలియలేదు, నాపై బాధ్యతలు పెంచుతున్నారని చేతి మీద కొట్టినప్పుడు తెలియలేదు, నా చేతికి పదులు పెడుతున్నారని ప్రశ్నలు అడిగినప్పుడు తెలియలేదు, ప్రపంచాన్ని పరిచయం చేస్తున్నారని పరీక్ష పెట్టినప్పుడు తెలియలేదు, నా ఆత్మవిశ్వాసాన్ని పరీక్షిస్తున్నారని. ధన్యవాదాలు. Good morning everyone. My name is Chamni. I am studying in 3rd standard. I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as students learn and grow into better people every day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose legacy continues to inspire generations. We often celebrate Teachers Day on his birthday. The 5th September is a tribute to his unparalleled contribution to the field of education. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. And with a heartfelt thank you to all teachers for their kindness, efforts and wisdom. A happy Teachers Day. Once again, thank you for all. Good morning everyone. My name is Hamsita. I am studying in 3rd standard. Thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, moral values and discipline. Teachers are the cornerstone of our society. The birth rate of the second President of India, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 5th September 1888, has been celebrated as Teachers Day since 1962. Their influence goes far beyond the classroom. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Teachers shaping minds, inspiring futures. Once again, thank you. గదిలో తలరాతలు మార్చేటి గురువారా, విశ్వానికి విజ్ఞాన విజ్ఞానం అందించే ఆది గురువులారా
को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम कृष्णा और मैं चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। जो कभी देखकर भी होना मोड़ा ऐसे होते पीछे, जो कभी देखकर भी होना मोड़ा ऐसे होते पीछे, गलती पर भी हमें प्यार से समझा ऐसे होते पीछे।
पितांतरी सही जो हमें उचित राह दिखाते हैं, पितांतरी सही जो हमें उचित राह दिखाते हैं, वो शिक्षक ही है जो हमें हमारी मंजिल से मिलाते हैं।
शिक्षक दिल से शुक्रिया हमारा बस सजाने के लिए। आपकी डांट कड़वी तो लगती है पर जरूरी है हमें गलत से बचाने के लिए। थैंक यू।
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम शशि है और मैं चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ रही हूँ। आज 5 सितंबर है। हम शिक्षक दिवस मना रहे हैं। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण जी की जन्म दिवस है। वही एक आदर्श शिक्षक तथा भारत के राष्ट्रपति थे। शिक्षक हमें सही गलत का पहचान करते हैं। शिक्षक ही राष्ट्र के भविष्य का निर्माण करते हैं। हमें हमेशा शिक्षकों का सम्मान करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
శుభోదయమందరికీ నా పేరు జినిష. ముందుగా ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. డాక్టర్ సర్వపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ పుట్టినరోజు సందర్భంగా సెప్టెంబర్ 5వ తేదీన ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటాము. విద్య లేని వాడు వృద్ధ పశువు అన్నది అందరికీ తెలుసు.
अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार